whatever the version it is right now, it might not solve big problems, but if they're actually working on problems like the advice gap in the UK and actually can thread this needle very finely, right? So it can be something very, very impactful. And I hear lots of people currently talking in the industry about those types of use cases, and they clearly have done the first right step. From a technological perspective, I do think it's a very important step for them. And that's the first user-facing application with Gen AI for them, if I understand it correctly. Typically, when you first deploy the very first application, it typically takes you 1 to 2 years to actually even figure out, how do I get it through governance? What is my stance from a compliance perspective? How do I deploy it from a product perspective? And every next product will be significantly easier and faster to deploy for them. So while this might not be the kind of the big breakthrough, I think it's a gimmick. Maybe it's a nice feature, but I do think it lays very important foundations for them for what's to come next. I think that's one, but also I think it's an important kind of perception-wise, right? So they're the first neobank, not Monzo and Revolut, who kind of picked something important here, user-facing, kind of combine it with a generative AI technology and launch it in a very visible way, which I think can be only good for them and for their brand.